Welcome to Girl Director's Camera Confidence course. Don't go anywhere because this is the best camera confidence course you will find for free. I'm not just here because video is the latest thing. I'm here as an expert and a leader in my field in video to help as many of you as I can. So let's get straight into the content because I know you're busting to get into it. The next 5 videos, you're going to learn the foundations of being a rock star on video. So strap yourself in, roll up your sleeves. It's time for the world to see who you are. Being a good video communicator doesn't happen without some work. For just a moment, I want you to close your eyes and fast forward into the not too distant future. You're standing in a studio. You're recording videos that you love. You look extraordinary. And you love what you're wearing and what you're saying. You can't wait to share your content with your audience, and you love hitting that post button on social media. People are reaching out when you share your story. People love you, and people message you from all over the world saying how much you've helped them, inspire them, and motivate them. You can do this, and you will. And it's time to make a decision that you're going to focus on getting better with each video. It is this energy that's going to get you to where you want to go. I know you really want to go there. It isn't uncommon for you to feel weird when it comes to filming yourself or being seen. I mean, let's face it, like me, many of us weren't born at a time when photography was instant and just there for you. Some of you may have been told not to pose for the camera or look at your image for being too cocky or confident. So have a think back to when you grew up about your first memories of posing for photographs, perhaps at school or home. What memories come up for you? What did you think about people posing that were confident? What thoughts were going on in your mind when you were growing up? What did your family say, your parents say about other people being confident? How did you react? And how do you feel when somebody else is smashing it out there online? It's time to think about how visibility has affected your life and what opportunities have you avoided by not being seen? Where have you hidden away in the background and felt like you were invisible to the world and no one noticed you? It's time to put that aside. Thinking about these memories can help you to see that you're just trapped in a thought loop and a habit and a behavior. And these can change and will change if you want them to. Because you're not afraid of the camera. The camera is just a box of metal and plastic sitting in front of you. It's what you've made video mean that we have to change. It's the judgment, it's the resistance, it's the self-sabotaging thoughts going on. Around and round and round. Thoughts like, what are others going to say if I get this wrong? Everyone else is already talking about that. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to be seen. I'm not slim enough. I'm not fashionable enough. I don't feel fit enough. I'm not tall enough. Whatever the case, that going round and round and round, it's time to make a decision that you're not going to sit around and be in the corner anymore. The world needs more women leaders, and I want to help women leaders. And this is the call that you've been waiting for. People and your clients are waiting for you to step up and pave the way. Your whole world is about to open up. Isn't it exciting? Ever since I could remember, I didn't like my photo taken. Everything from school photos to family photos. I never liked posing for camera photos. And the fear grew so big until one day I was so terrified, I attracted people putting me down and only confirmed my belief around not being good enough on video. And for a long time, I just figured I wasn't born to be in front of the camera. Sad, isn't it? I had a message to share, and sadly, there was no camera confidence courses around back then to help me through this block. You are the character of your life movie, and now it's time to stop and think about who you really want to be as a leader, a mum, a boss, a human. What character traits do you want to grow into? You are forever expanding. So I'm going to talk to you now about a character script that you're going to write. So pause to grab your journal, and then I want to talk you through this fantastic process of the new you that you're going to step in and create. So you've got your little journal and I want you to write about half a paragraph to a page and describe the person that you saw in that studio that was there in front of the lights while the director was directing you. You were confident, you were feeling good, you felt free, you felt just that it was easy, and that's just part of what you did. So talk to me about, who is this person? Who is this person that you want to be? What character traits do they have? What are they wearing? In your mind, can you see a picture of what clothes are you wearing? Can you see what types of things are you sharing? How do you feel about sharing that? Who are you sharing that to? Talk about what's around you. What's the surroundings that you have? Are you doing it yourself? Talk about the character that you're building, your thoughts, your feelings, and take some time with this. Spend about 30 minutes to an hour to really connect to this character. This is your blueprint that you're creating that you can place there and read every day. Until you start to feel it and think it and act it and start taking action to be that person that you've written about. I work on this all the time. If you check out our old YouTube videos, you will be horrified at what you see because I have worked through this a lot. I've been always making everyone else look amazing, but it took a long time for me to be confident on video. But now, at least we know how to fast track you. And this is a very good place to start. The inner world is just as important as the outer image that you have. So I want you to really feel it. If you're not feeling it enough, you've got to go deeper. This is only the start of where we're going to go. If you want personalized attention and want to fast track your results to not only look good, be confident, but also look at your results at how you're attracting clients, nothing beats somebody in our team giving you personalized assistance when you're moving to a new level. Hey, check out day 2 over here and make the decision to watch and implement the lessons that you're learning here. My name's Rachel Dunn from Girl Director, and I can't wait to help you share your message with the world. See you next video.